You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to convert a video to audio on your iPhone. You can do this easily using the free Shortcuts app. First, open the App Store and download the Shortcuts app by Apple if you don't have it. Open Shortcuts and tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Tap Add Action, search for and select the action called Select Photos. Tap the word Photos and change it to Select Multiple to No. Go back and tap Add Action again. Search for and select Encode Media. Tap the word Encode and change it to Audio Only. Add one more action by searching for and selecting Save to Files. Now tap the play button at the bottom. To run your new shortcut, it will ask for permission to access your photos. Allow it, browse and select the video you want to convert. The shortcut will process it and save a new audio file, usually in M for a format, to your chosen location in the Files app. You can now rename, share, or use this audio file like any other. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.